So here's how you create a rubric on Turnitin. You go to the Turnitin page that you set up. You can either go and edit it, or you can add a new one. It doesn't matter. You look at the options, you go all the way to the bottom, and you can either select a rubric that already exists, or you can click Launch Rubric Form Manager, this one. Just ignore my dictionary. You then click on this little icon here and create new rubric. But I can also, before I do that, I'll show you one that comes up. So here's one that I've weighted, that's all filled in. So as you can see, content is worth 25% outstanding, and gives information about what that would be. Excellent, same. So let's create a new rubric. Comes up with an empty form. You will then have to add in the criteria. Let's say introduction, main body, conclusion, and so on. So it's up to you how many you have. For every other one that you can't see, you can just add a plus and it just adds another row. And the same here. Here you'll just add so 70 to 100, or whatever you want to add here. 60 to 69, to 59, and so on. Now this, and then you would add text in here. So introduction, what makes say first, and you add information here. Do the same for each of the columns and each of these boxes. Now down here you have a choice between doing custom, and I've never used that, having it weighted, or using no weighting at all. Now the weight, all it does is you assign, say, let's say the introduction you will have is worth 5% of the mark. You'll give it 5%, and all these, the body is worth 20%. So you'll add that in here, and you'll add that up. Here you'll always give the middle mark between these. So here you might give 80. Oh no, here you have to add 100, 65, and so on. But like I say, I don't really use weighted. I just use this one, which doesn't pre-populate the mark, but you can still say on the main body, this is why you got the mark you got. You can then click save and close, and then you'll be able to pick up, add it from the list here. And that's how easy it is to create a rubric. Hope that helps.